ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सर्वात्मत्वमिति स्फुटीकृतमिदं यस्मादमुष्मिंस्तवे तेनास्य श्रवणात् तदर्थनात् मननात् ध्यानाच्च संकीर्तनात् सर्वात्मत्वमहाविभूतिसहितं स्यादीश्वरत्वं स्वतः सिद्ध्येत् तत्पुनरष्टधा परिणतं चैश्वर्यमव्याहतम्। So we have to start the Dashama Ullasa. उत्तर श्लोक तात्पर्यं संक्षिप्य कथयन् तस्य पूर्वेण संगतिम् आह। परिच्छिन्नम, so उत्तर श्लोक तात्पर्यम, the next shlokas तात्पर्यम संक्षिप्य, in brief, having said, then connection with the purva means the ninth ullasa is being said now. Parichinnamaham bhavam परित्यज्यानुषंगिकं पूर्णाहं भावलाभोस्य स्तोत्रस्य फलमुच्यते। परिच्छिन्नमहं भावं परित्यज्यानुषंगिकं पूर्णाहं भावलाभोस्य स्तोत्रस्य फलमुच्यते। परिच्छिन्नम अहम भावम, the conditioned I, which is anushangikam. Anushangikam means which is there only because of some nimitta, due to body identification, etc. परित्यज्य, having given that up, पूर्ण अहम भाव लाभ अस्य स्तोत्रस्य फलम उच्यते। The attainment of पूर्ण अहम भाव means I am infinite. This is the labha, this is the gain of the stotra. So the limitations will go which have come anushangikam. टीका देहादि अभिमान अनुषंगात आगतम इत्यर्थः। उच्यते उत्तर श्लोकेन इति शेषः। उच्यते उत्तर श्लोकेन in the 10th shloka which we just read now. सर्वात्मत्वम इति स्फुटीकृतम इदम अयम अस्मात् इदम यस्माद् अमुष्मिंस्तवे. Yasmat, since amush means tave in this stotra, what is clearly given? Sphutikritam. Sphutikritam means clearly elaborated. What? Sarvatmatvam. My allness. I am all. Means Brahma is all that Brahma I am. Tena asya shravanat asya stotrasya. This stotra, when we do shravana, tad artha mananat, dwelling on the meaning, and then dhyanat, You have to, dhyanat means meditation, dhyanat means paying attention to this in my vyavahara, both. And sankirtanat, you have to go on singing this Dakshinamurti Stotra. Then what will happen? Sarvatmatva mahavibhuti sahitam swatah ishwaratvam syat. That last word in the Tritiya Pada, I think in your book it is, in your print it is tatah, right? Make it swatah. Swatah is the right path, even if right reading. Even in Tika you will see swatah shabda explained, not tatah. So then what will happen? Swatah, that person shall attain sarvatmatva along with mahavibhuti. Mahavibhuti sahitam sarvatmatvam, ishwaratvam, and he will be like Ishwara. Means he will be master of lot of things which will be explained in the Vartika. And then punaha ashtadha siddhyet. Ashtadha siddhi will be there. Avyahatam aishwaryam parinatam. Parinatam, in my reading it is parinatam. Parinatam chaishwaryam avyahatam. So this ashtadha siddhi in the form of anima, mahima, lagima, garima ityadi and aishwaryam, all this will be attained. So that's why this stotra shravana, manana, nididhyasana, sankirtana should be done. And this is mahat phalam, great result of this stotram. Tika. यस्मादमुष्मिन् स्तवे दक्षिणामूर्ति स्तोत्रे इति उक्त प्रकारेण सर्वात्मत्वम इदं प्रत्यक्षं स्फुटीकृतम्. In this stotra, Dakshinamurti stotra, sarvatmatva is clearly expounded like earlier in the previous shlokas. Tasmad asya stotrasya shravanat guroho arthato avagamat. Guroho shravanat. From Guru you should listen and then arthataha avagamat. Its meaning should be properly understood, assimilated. Tatha artha mananat. Then you have to do mananam on that, means through yukti. Mananam is always through yukti. Yatha shrutam tatha arthasya, see here, yuktya vyavasthapanat. Through yukti you have to put everything in perspective that yes, this is possible and that is not possible, like that. Dhyanat shrutam arthakara vritti nairantarya karanachya. Shrutamata arthakara vritti. Shrutamata you can take it as two different. Shruta and mata. Shruta means result of shravanam. Mata, result of mananam. That tadakar vritti one has to do. So, I am Brahma. I am not karta bhokta. In this way, nairantarya karanacha sankirtanat kevalam stotra kirtana matradapi ityartha. Just singing also. सर्वात्मत्व लक्षणा या महाविभूति ही तया सहितम ईश्वरत्वम निरूपितम निरूपमितम. Nirupitam is correct. Nirupamitam is not needed. Sarvatmatva lakshana ya mahavibhuti hi. This mahavibhuti sahitam ishwaratvam. What is nirupitam? Niritishayam ishwaratvam syat. Or nirupamitam means upama rahitam. That way you can use that word nirupamitam syat. Swataha, you see that instead of tataha, swataha shabda is there in tika. Swataha swabhavataha siddham na prayatna sadhyam. One doesn't have to become Ishvara. One doesn't have to do separately anything for Ashtadha Siddhi. All of that will happen naturally. तस्य अनित्यत्व अवश्यम भावात् इत्यर्थः. Because it will be anitya. If it is prayatna sadhyam, then it will become anitya. But it is not prayatna sadhyam. Whatever comes, you just take it. So effort is in realization, not in attaining Aishwaryam or Ashtadha Siddhi. Yat punah prasiddham Ashtadha parinatam animadi Aishwaryam taccha सिद्धायेत अनुषंगादेव सिद्ध्येत तच्च सिद्ध्येत. Its siddhi will happen through anushanga only. Anushanga means prasangika only. It will happen on its own. Taccha avyahatam apratihatam. Avyahatam, unobstructed, apratihatam. अतः इदं स्तोत्रम अर्थतः पाठतो यत्नेन गुरुभ्यो अवगम्य तन्निष्ठो भवेत् मुमुक्षुः अभ्युदयार्थी वा इत्यर्थः. Therefore one must do study of this from Guru Mukha and one should memorize this. So if you have not memorized this one, try to memorize at least these 10 shlokas. On Guru Purnima day, Maharaj Ji always asks to chant this Dakshinamurti Stotra. And in Parampara, Dakshinamurti is our Guru here. Yesterday we saw that in Shloka also. Now, Asya Vyakhyam Prarabhate. Explanation begins. Idam atra akutam iti. Putra pautra griha kshetra dhanadhanya samriddhayah अर्वाचीनाश्च सिद्ध्यन्ति स्वर्गपातालभूमिषु पुत्रपौत्रगृहक्षेत्र धनधान्यसमृद्धयः अर्वाचीनाश्च सिद्ध्यन्ति स्वर्गपातालभूमिषु. Putra, Pautra, Griha, Kshetra, Dhana, Dhanya, Samruddhaya, all of them. Arvachinaha, other many results also. Swarga, Patal, Bhumishu, Siddhyanti. Arvachin means anything new, latest. Latest means, because these are all traditional. Putra, Pautra, Griha, Kshetra, Dhana, Dhanya. But new phones and gadgets and all, you will get everything. You chant Dakshinamurti Stotram. Where will you get? Swarga Patal Bhumishu, wherever you are. Yadyapi asmat stotrat sarva eva abhilashaniyartha labhyante. Tathapi buddhimata na kshudra labhaya idam prayoktavyam kintu mahaphalaya parameshwar padaya eva. Even though by recitation and study of this, all results can be attained, whatever is your desire. But a wise person should not desire for petty things. They should seek only Parameshwar Pada, Bhagavan only. I have to be one with Paramatma, or I have to be Brahma only in this way. Arvachina aneka phalani tu prasangato vastu mahimnaiva bhavishyanti iti tatparyam abhipretya. Arvachina anek phalani, all the latest results also, prasangato, by the greatness of this stotra, they will be accomplished. So it is said, putra, pautra ityadi. Swarge va, patale va, bhumo va, bhavishyanti eva, yatha kalam, sarve arvachina, phalaveda ityartha. Either in the heaven or in the lower worlds, or on the earth, everything at the right time you will get it. When the time is right and the right body is there, everything you will get. तत्र असंकल्पितस्यापि फलस्य अनुषंगिणः सिद्धिं दृष्टान्तेन उपपादयति. And what is not sankalpita, what you did not wish for, but if it is possible, you will get it as siddhi. That example is given now. Drishtantena upadayati. Pake pravartamanasya शीतादि परिहारवत् प्रासंगिकाश्च सिद्ध्यन्ति स्तोत्रेणानेन सर्वदा. प्राके प्रवर्तमानस्य शीतादिपरिहारवत् प्रासंगिकाश्च सिद्ध्यन्ति स्तोत्रेणानेन सर्वदा. पाके प्रवर्तमानस्य, when the food gets cooked, then the coldness also goes away, means it becomes warm. So food also gets cooked, it becomes warm also, nice and warm. That is prasangikach, that is secondary benefit, byproduct, siddhyanti. In this way, prasangika siddhi will happen through this stotra. Anena stotrena sarvada siddhyanti. Evam tatparyam uktva syadishwaratvam iti uktam ishwaratvam vyachaste. What is ishwaratvam? Aishwaryamishwaratvam hi. Tasya nasti pruthak sthitihi. पुरुषे धावमानेपि छायातमनुधावति. ऐश्वर्यमीश्वरत्वं हि तस्य नास्ति पृथक् स्थितिः. पुरुषे धावमानेपि छायातमनुधावति. ऐश्वर्यम, ईश्वरस्य भाव ऐश्वर्यम, क्षय प्रत्यय. ऐश्वर्यम ईश्वरत्वम ही, इट इज नॉट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईश्वर. तस्य पृथक स्थिति नास्ति. हाउ? व्हेन ए पर्सन रन्स, सो हिज शैडो आल्सो गोज विथ हिम. लाइक दैट, व्हेन यू आर ईश्वर, देन ऐश्वर्य विल आल्सो कम टू यू. इन दिस वे ईश्वरस्य स्वरूपम ऐश्वर्यम, तस्य ईश्वरात् पृथक स्थिति पार्थक्येन अवस्थानं नास्ति इत्यर्थः. And the दृष्टान्त is given of the shadow. किं तद् ऐश्वर्यं यच्छायावत् अवियुक्तम् ईश्वरस्य सद् इति अपेक्षायाम् आह. What is that ऐश्वर्यं which is like a shadow of the Ishvara, which goes with Ishvara? Sat iti apekshayam. Ishvarasya sat. When Ishvara is there, then Aishwarya will be there. अनंत शक्तिरैश्वर्यं निष्यन्दाश्चाणिमादयः स्वस्येश्वरत्वे संसिद्धे सिद्ध्यन्ति स्वयमेव हि. अनन्तशक्तिरैश्वर्यं निष्यन्दाश्चाणिमादयः स्वस्येश्वरत्वे संसिद्धे सिद्ध्यन्ति स्वयमेव हि. अनन्तशक्तिरैश्वर्यं, ऐश्वर्य इज इन्फिनिट पावर. एंड देन अणिमादयः निष्यन्दाः. निष्यन्दा मीन्स दे आर लाइक ड्रॉपलेट्स ऑफ दिस पावर. अणिमा महिमा लघिमा गरिमा. स्वस्य ईश्वरत्वे संसिद्धे स्वयमेव ही सिद्ध्यन्ति. When I become Ishvara, all of that happens on their own. You don't have to do anything else. वाचाम गोचरम अनतिशयम सहजम सामर्थ्यम तद ऐश्वर्यम इत्यर्थः. That which is beyond speech and mind, that which excels all, and it is sahajam samarthyam, it is natural, that is Aishwarya. ननु अणिमादिसिद्धयो हि ऐश्वर्यमिति प्रसिद्धिः. इट इज़ वेरी वेल नोन अणिमादिसिद्धीज आर ऐश्वर्यम. कथम अनंत शक्तिरैश्वर्यमिति. हाउ डू यू से अनंत शक्ति इज ऐश्वर्यम. इट इज सेड तत्राह निष्यन्दाश्चैति. अणिमादयः सिद्धयः ईश्वर शक्तेः निष्यन्दाः. अणिमादि शक्ति दे आर like what? Viprun matraha. They are just like droplets of Ishvara Shakti. For Bhagavan, what is their Anima Mahima is nothing. Like that, if you become Brahma, it means if you know you are a Brahma, then what is there? This siddhi is Tasam Parichinnatvat Anyeshu api Taratamyena Bhavat. They are Parichinna Anima Mahima Lagima, and also they are available in Taratamya, in gradation, in others also. तथा च श्रुतिः एतस्यैवानन्दस्यात् अन्यानि भूतानि मात्राम् उपजीवन्ति. बृहदारण्यक 4:3-32. So where it is said 6, you understand 4. तस्माद् ईश्वरत्व सिद्ध्यर्थमेव स्तोत्रम् प्रयोक्तव्यम. Therefore stotra should be recited for Ishwara Siddhi, not na animadi siddhyartham. Tasya tasmin anushangikatvad swasyati. They are anushangika, means through nimitta they will come anyway without any problems. Tadhapi ब्रह्माद्य ऐश्वर्याय पृथक प्रयोक्तव्यम इति आशंक्य तदपि अस्यैव लेश इत्याह. Okay, what about Brahmadi Aishwarya? Animadi Aishwarya will come. Brahmadi Aishwarya, for that I think I have to put forth separate effort. He says no, that also is part of this only. Yadi Aishwarya Viprudbhir Brahma Vishnu Shivadayah ऐश्वर्यवन्तो भासन्ते स एवात्मा सदाशिवः. यदि ऐश्वर्यविप्रीड्भिर्ब्रह्म विष्णु शिवादयः ऐश्वर्यवन्तो भासन्ते स एवात्मा सदाशिवः. यदि यदिया ऐश्वर्य विप्रुड्भिः ब्रह्मा विष्णु शिवादयः. This viprudbhi means they are the droplets. By the droplets of this Aishwarya, whose Aishwarya, Brahma Vishnu Shivadayah Aishwaryavanto bhasante. Even Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, they become endowed with Aishwarya. By whose Aishwarya? That is Saeva Atma, Sadashiva. That is Sadashiva. So now Atma is called as Sadashiva, and Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, they are the Devatas. In this way you have to take. Viprudbhihi, Bindubhihi, Leshaihi Yavat, means with the from the droplets. Katham Vidvad Aishwarya Leshaha Brahmadya Aishwarya Bhedaha. Vidvad Aishwarya Lesha Brahmadya Aishwarya Bhedaha Tesam Sadashiva Vibhutitvat iti ashankya sa eva Atma Sadashiva. Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, etc., their Aishwarya and wisdom is known. How do you say they are only small, little? It is said they all are droplets of the Aishwarya of Paramatma, Brahma. Because Brahma alone is infinite reality, everything else is finite expression, Pratibimbita. Sadashiva eva Atma. Atma eva Sadashiva. Ityartha. And Sadashiva Vibhuti is all this. In that, Drashtanta is given now. Ato Brahmadi Aishwaryam api Swabhava Mahimnaiva एव उपनमते विदुषः इति एतद् दृष्टान्तेन आह. Brahmadi Aishwarya also comes to a wise person naturally. Swabhava Mahimna eva upanamate means they come and bow down to him. How? Pushpamanayata gandho vinechhamanubhuyate purnaham bhavayuktena परिच्छिन्ना विभूतयः पुष्पमानयता गन्धो विनेच्छामनुभूयते पूर्णाहं भावयुक्तेन परिच्छिन्ना विभूतयः. If you bring the flower, the fragrance comes on its own. Pushpam anayata gandho vinaichham anubhuyate. Fragrance comes without any even if it doesn't want. In that way, in the same way, purnaham bhava yuktena vibhutayah parichinna. All the vibhutis, which are the finite expressions of the purnaham bhava, brahmatma bhava, they all will come what is there. तस्मात् पूर्णात्मनि सदाशिव रूपे एव संभावना कार्या न ब्रह्मादिषु इति स्थितं स्तोत्रफल स्तुतेः तात्पर्यम्. The तात्पर्य of the glory of the stotra is that one should not put forth effort for becoming Brahmadi. Just understand you are Brahma. Don't strive for anything else. Don't settle for anything else. Don't hope for something small, petty things. Just go for the highest. Now, in few shlokas now, all these siddhis are explained. Idanim animadi aishwaryani vibhajya vyutpadayan ashtadha parinatam cha aishwaryam avyahatam iti etad vyachaste. So now the animadi aishwarya, they are separately indicated as given in the shloka. Anima mahima chaiva garima laghima tatha praptihi prakamyamishitvam vashitvam chashta siddhayah. अणिमा महिमा चैव गरिमा लघिमा तथा प्राप्तिः प्राकाम्यमीशित्वं वशित्वं चाष्टसिद्धयः. So these are the 8 siddhis. He himself is explaining each one of them. Tatra anima vyakhyam siddhim darshayati. First is anima. Atyantamanushu prani shvatmatvena praveshanam. अणिमा संयमैश्वर्यं व्याप्तस्य परमात्मनः अत्यन्तमणुषु प्राणी स्वात्मत्वेन प्रवेशनम् अणिमा संयमैश्वर्यं व्याप्तस्य परमात्मनः. Atyantam anushu pranishu atmatvena pravesh. In very small insects also a big person can enter. This is called anima siddhi. Anima sanyam aishwaryam vyaptasya paramatmanah aishwaryam. This is the aishwarya of Paramatma. That in big person can enter in small. How small? Puttika pulakadi pranishu ityartha. Like in a fly or in a small insect also he can enter. Like a grain size. Now Mahima and Laghima and Garima. Let us chant 3 shlokas. Brahmandadi Shivantaya षट्त्रिंशत्तत्त्वसंहतेः बहिश्च व्याप्य वृत्तित्व मैश्वर्यं महिमाह्वयम् ब्रह्माण्डादिशिवान्ताया षट्त्रिंशत्तत्त्वसंहते बहिश्च व्याप्य वृत्तित्वमैश्वर्यं महिमाह्वयम् महामेरुसमाङ्गस्य समुद्धरणकर्मणि लाघवे तूलतुल्यत्वं लघिमानं विदुर्बुधाः महामेरुसमाङ्गस्य समुद्धरणकर्मणि लाघवे तूलतुल्यत्वं लघिमानं विदुर्बुधाः परमाणुसमाङ्गस्य समुद्धरणकर्मणि गौरवे मेरुतुल्यत्वं गरिमाणं विदुर्बुधाः परमाणुसमाङ्गस्य समुद्धरणकर्मणि गौरवे मेरुतुल्यत्वं गरिमाणं विदुर्बुधाः. So Mahima means Brahmandadi Shivantayaha Shatrimshat Tattva Samhate. The 36 tattvas which are there, starting from Brahmanda all the way up to Shiva. Shiva means the Virat here. Shivo Virajya Abhivyakta. Virajya Abhivyakta. Purusha. Bahishcha Vyapya Vrittitvam Aishwaryam Mahimahvayam. So, this kind of Mahima. So, earlier was Anima, small. This is becoming big. So, one can become big like Virat. All the way like to Brahmanda. That is Vyapya Vrittitvam. And the earlier one was Alpa, becoming small. Laghima means becoming light. Even a person who is very heavy, like Mahameru Sama Angasya, Samudharana Karmani Laghave. If somebody wants to lift you, you can become so light. How? Tula Tulyatvam, Laghimanam Vidurbudha. Like a piece of cotton, small piece of cotton. Very light. This is Laghima. And Garima, Paramanu Samangasya Samudharana Karmani Gaurava Merutulya. Somebody who is very little, but when he wants to become heavy, he will become so heavy like Merutulya. This is called Garima. So, in Tika, in the Laghima, it is said, Yogino Visheshanam Etat. Ichchaya Atisthulatam Apannasya Anyehi Samudharane Tula Tulyatvam Laghima Ityartha. If somebody wants to lift to a yogi, then Ichchaya, by his wish, Atisthulatam, he will become so Atisthulatam Apannasya, the one who is very sthula, big, fat, he will become very light. And Garima is Sarva Vaiparityana, is opposite of the previous one. Means he is small, but he can become big. Now, next three. So, Prapti, Prakamya and Prakashya is also given here. Patalavasinaha Pumso Brahmalokavalokanam Praptirnama Maheshwaryam Sudushprapamayoginam Patalavasinaha Pumso Brahmalokavalokanam Praptirnama Maheshwaryam Sudushprapamayoginam Akashagamanadina मन्यासां सिद्धिसम्पदां स्वेच्छामात्रेण संसिद्धिः प्राकाम्यमभिधीयते। आकाशगमनादीनामन्यासां सिद्धिसम्पदां स्वेच्छामात्रेण संसिद्धिः प्राकाम्यमभिधीयते। स्वशरीरप्रकाशेन सर्वार्थानां प्रकाशनम् प्राकाश्यमिदमैश्वर्य मिति केचित् प्रचक्षते। स्वशरीरप्रकाशेन सर्वार्थानां प्रकाशनं प्राकाश्यमिदमैश्वर्य मिति केचित् प्रचक्षते. So meaning of the prapti means attaining something which is otherwise difficult. Patalvasina pumsah brahmaloka avalokanam. Somebody who is in pataloka, he can see what is happening in brahmaloka. This is called praptihi nama maheshwaryam. Ayoginam sudushpraptam. Those who are ayogi, it is very difficult for them. This is called prapti, accomplishment. Then what is prakamya? Akashagamanadinam anyasam siddhi sampadam swechha matrena samsiddhi. Going in this space, traveling in this space, and other siddhis, other wealth in this way, swechha matrena samsiddhi. By their own, whatever they wish, they will get. That is called prakamya. Prakashya is Swasharir prakashena sarvarthanam prakashanam. By the glow of one's own body, they will illumine everything around. This is prakashyam. So actually in 8, that shloka which was there, in that 8 prakashya is not given. There only anima, mahima, lagima, garima, prapti, prakamyam, ishitvam, vashitvam is given. But some people, instead of prakamya, they say prakashya. Because they say prapti and prakamya, they are similar. Another siddhi. Now, ishitvam and vashitvam. Swechhamatrena lokanam सृष्टिस्थित्यन्तकर्तृता सृष्टिस्थित्यन्तकर्तृता सूर्यादीनां नियोक्तृत्व मीशित्वमभिधीयते स्वेच्छामात्रेण लोकानां सृष्टिस्थित्यन्तकर्तृता सूर्यादीनां नियोक्तृत्व मीशित्वमभिधीयते सलोकपाला सर्वेपि लोका स्ववशवर्तिनः तदैश्वर्यं वशित्वाख्यं सुलभं शिवयोगिनां सलोकपाला सर्वेपि लोका स्ववशवर्तिनः तदैश्वर्यं वशित्वाख्यं सुलभं शिवयोगिनां स्वेच्छामात्रेण लोकानां सृष्टिः स्थिति anta kartrita. By their will somebody can create a world, srishti sthiti laya, this, and also suryadinam niyoktritvam, even control the sun, when the sun will rise, how much it will shine, everything. This is ishitvam, very powerful. But now here see in Tika, there is a sutra, Brahma Sutra, Jagad Vyapar Varjam iti nyayena yadyapi vidusho loka vishaye swatantriyam varitam. Even though for a wise person swatantriyam varitam तथापि स्टिल विश्वामित्रादिवत् ब्रह्मांड स्थितावेव वापीकूपतडाक नगरी विहार स्थल सृष्ट्यादि अभिप्रायम एतद् द्रष्टव्यम्. In that Brahma Sutra, it is said that nobody will be able to create Loka. Because if Paramatma wants to do Laya and somebody says, no, I want Srishti, then there will be contradiction. And if more than one person is there having the same power of Ishitvam, there will be chaos. So in Brahma Sutra, it is discussed this, and it is said, only when Sthiti is there, in that they will have the power to create well, lakes, city, garden, forest, mountains, all that they can create in the creation. In this way it is said, like Vishwamitradivat, Brahmanda Sitaveva. While Brahmanda is there, like Vishwamitra ji, how he created, one can create. And Vashitvam, Salokapalaha Sarvepi Lokasu Swavashavartina. All the guardians of the world, they all also will be under the control. That Aishwaryam is called Vashitva, and it is Sulabham for Shiva Yogina, those who are the indwellers of Paramatma, means those who identify with Paramatma, Shiva Yogina. Those who meditate on Lord Shiva. Shiva Yoginam Uktam Aishwaryam Sulabham iti atra pramana shrutim udahrati. How do you say it is easy for Shiva Yogi? Mean those who are meditating on Brahma, how do you say? Yastvevam brahmano vetti tasya devavashe sthitaha kim punah kshmapati vyagra व्याळ स्त्री पुरुषादयः यस्त्वेवं ब्राह्मणो वेत्ति तस्य देवावशे स्थिताः किं पुनः क्ष्मापति व्याघ्र व्याळ स्त्री पुरुषादयः. यह तु एवं ब्राह्मणो वेत्ति, the one who is a brahmana, who knows in this way, tasya devavashe sthita, even devatas will be under his control. Kim punah kshmapati, kshmapati means raja, kshma means earth, kshmapati, vyaghra, tiger, snake, vyala, stri purusha, they all will be under his control, nothing. And where it is said, yastvaivam brahmano vidyat tasya deva sanvashe, where is it said? Have you heard this before? Iti mantra swarupasya pratinirdesoyam. This is the nirdesha of mantra. Have you heard this? This is Purusha Suktam. Yastvaivam brahmano vidyat tasya deva asanvashe rishchate lakshmishcha patnyo ahorat. That is this. So in Purusha Suktam, it is given, which we chant every day. Tasya deva asanvashe, devatas also will be under his control. Those who meditate on this Purusha, yoginam kshmapatyadi vashikaranam kaimutya nyayena aha. If devatas are under control, what to talk of local kings and politicians and all the other tiger, etc. Sant Jnaneshwar Ji Maharaj, there is a story. There was Changdev. Changdev came on tiger. Sitting on tiger, he came to meet Sant Jnaneshwar Ji Maharaj. Sant Jnaneshwar Ji Maharaj was sitting on a wall. He told wall, let's walk and receive the Mahatma. So wall started moving. So they all had the ability to control all living beings, non-living things also. Na pariganitam aishwaryam sarvatma bhavana mahatmyena यद्यद अभिलषितं तत्तद अखिलं भवेत् एव इत्याह. And it is not limited to what is said here, Sarvatma Bhavana Mahatmyena, this Aishwaryam. Whatever is abhilashitam, whatever is cherished, desired, everything is attained. Sarvatma Bhava Samrajya Nirantarita Chetasam Paripakva Samadhinam किंकिन्नाम न सिद्ध्यति. सर्वात्मभाव साम्राज्य निरंतरित चेतसाम परिपक्व समाधीनां किंकिन्नाम न सिद्ध्यति. निरंतरित चेतसाम, those who are constantly dwelling on Brahma. Sarvatma Bhava Samrajya is attained by them. Sarvatma Bhava Samrajya Nirantarita Chetasam Paripakva Samadhinam. And not raw, but when the dwelling on this Brahma is ripe, then what cannot be accomplished? Kinkin Nama na siddhyati. You tell and it will be accomplished. It is like that. So, what this, in simple words, what we should understand, that a sadhaka of Brahmanistha should not get disturbed by obstacles, but if we walk on this path, all obstacles will get resolved. Obstacles are not big. Our resolve has to be there that I am going to walk on this path, everything will settle down on its own. यद्यपि एवं महिमास्य स्तोत्रस्य तथापि, महिमास्य स्तोत्रस्य तथापि, still न तेषु फलेषु आनुषंगिकेषु अपि मतिः कार्या इति उपदिशति. So one should not have the buddhi to have these kinds of results. Even though the mahima is great, but my buddhi should not be to attain these things. स्तोत्रमेतत् पठेत् धीमान् सर्वात्मत्वं च भावयेत्. अर्वाचीने स्पृहां मुक्त्वा फले स्वर्गादि संभवे. स्तोत्रमेतत् पठेत् धीमान् सर्वात्मत्वं च भावयेत्. अर्वाचीने स्पृहां मुक्त्वा फले स्वर्गादि संभवे. स्वर्गादिराज्यं साम्राज्यं मनुते न हि पंडितः. तदेव तस्य साम्राज्यं यत्तु स्वाराज्यमात्मनि. स्वर्गादिराज्यं साम्राज्यं मनुते न हि पंडितः. तदेव तस्य साम्राज्यं यत्तु स्वाराज्यमात्मनि. So a buddhiman purusha who recites this stotram, studies, dwells on it, and also dwells on the fact that I am all the time, then giving up the desires for smaller things, arvachine spraham muktva swargadi phale sambhave, even though swargadi phale is possible, swargadi rajyam samrajyam panditaha nahi manute. A wise person doesn't think that Swargadi Rajyam is a Samrajyam. The attainment of heaven is not the ultimate result. It is not the greatest result. Why? Tadeva tasya Samrajyam yattu Swarajyam Atmani. The kingdom of the self is the highest attainment, not the heaven, etc. So Swargadi Samrajyam is not Samrajyam. स्वर्गादि राज्यम साम्राज्यम कस्मात् पंडितो न मनुते. वाई? इट इज गिवन नाउ. सर्वात्म भावनावंतम सेवन्ते सर्वसिद्धयः तस्मादात्मनि साम्राज्यम कुर्यान्नियतमानसः सर्वात्मभावनावन्तं सेवन्ते सर्वसिद्धयः तस्मादात्मनि साम्राज्यं कुर्यान्नियतमानसः सर्वात्मभावनावन्तं सर्वसिद्धयः सेवन्ते. If you do sarvatma bhavana, all siddhis will serve you. Therefore, Swarga is not the highest. Tasmad Atmani Samrajyam Kuryat Niyatamanasa. Therefore, one with controlled mind should not seek heaven or heavenly pleasure. As byproduct, if they come, it is different. You just work for the highest, Brahma Bhava. And now in the last two shlokas, the Namaskar to Guru is done and Brahma also. देवे दक्षिणामूर्त्याख्ये गुरौ च स्वे भक्तिमतोऽस्मिन् स्तोत्रे अधिकारो नान्यस्य इति दर्शयति. Who has the adhikara in this stotra? The one who has bhakti in Dakshinamurti Bhagavan and in Guru. So yesterday we chanted this shloka, we will chant it together. Yasya deve para bhaktir yatha deve tatha gurau तस्यैते कथिता ह्यर्थाः प्रकाशन्ते महात्मनः. The one who has highest devotion to Guru and the same devotion to God, or the one who has highest devotion to God and equal devotion to Guru, then to that what is revealed in the Upanishads, those meanings will become clear. Tadevam ashesham stotram tatparyato vyakhyaya, in the tatparya, in the essence, vyakhyaya, having expounded, grantha prachaya vigna upashantaye shishtachara lakshanam mangalam. Now mangalacharanam, that this grantha should spread well, and in that if there are any vigna upashantaye shishtachara lakshanam mangalam vastu nirdeshatmakam acharati. Now this is vastu nirdeshatmaka mangalacharanam, not seeking any benediction, blessings, etc., and also not seeking any like prayer, etc. Prakashatmikaya shaktya prakashanam prabhakarah prakashayati yo vishvam prakashoyam prakashatam. Prakashatmikaya shaktya prakashanam prabhakarah prakashayati yo vishvam prakashoyam prakashatam. What a beautiful shloka and melodious. Alankara is there. This is called Varnanuprasa. The pra is there, and even the Shabdanuprasa, the Prakasha Shabda is also there so many times. Prakashatmika, Prakashanam, Prakashayati, Prakashoyam, Prakashatam. The Anvaya is like this. Yo Prakashanam Prabhakaraha Prakashatmikaya Shaktya Vishwam Prakashayati Ayam Prakashaha Prakashatam. So Ayam Prakasha Prakashatam. That, so you have to supply. That which is the illuminator of even all the lights. Prakashanam Prabhakaraha. So that which is the illuminator of sun, etc. also. Prakashatmikaya Shaktya, by its illumination, the one which illumines the whole world, that may it illumine Ayam Prakasho Prakashatam. So may it illumine this Manasollasa also. In this way, Adityadi Prakashanamapi Prabhakara, the one who is the light of even sun, etc., Swayameva Prakashatam, by its glory, may it continue to shine. इति श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति स्तोत्रार्थ प्रतिपादके प्रबंधे मानसोल्लासे दशमोल्लास संग्रहः इति श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति स्तोत्रार्थ प्रतिपादके प्रबंधे मानसोल्लासे दशमोल्लास संग्रहः. In this way, the 10th ullasa, dashamollasa, is also completed. इति श्री मानसोल्लास प्रबंधोयम यथामति व्याख्यातो रामतीर्थेन गुरुदेव प्रसादतः अनेन भगवान श्रीमद् दक्षिणाशामुख शिवः प्रीयतां भजतां नित्यं तत्वज्ञान प्रदस्सताम्. So in this way Ramatirtha by his Guru Prasada has yathamati done vyakhya of Manasollasa Prabandha, and by this may Bhagavan Dakshinamurti, Dakshinashamukha, the one who is facing the south, that Shiva, who is Tattvajnana Pradaha, who is the giver of the self-knowledge, Satam Priyatam Bhajatam, Bhajatam Priyatam, those who are good people and who are worshipping Bhagavan, may to those Bhagavan be pleased, Dakshinamurti be pleased to them. Iti Shri Dakshinamurti Stotra Vyakhya Prabandha Manasollasa Samaptaha. In this way we completed Manasollasa Vartika, Bhagavan Dakshinamurti ji's blessings. And now from tomorrow we are going to start Sankshepa Sharirakam. I will send you the link of the PDF. If you already have the books from Kailash Ashram, that is very good. Otherwise PDF I will send. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murtibheda Vibhagine Vyomavadvyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Tat Sat.